Hi, I'm Kevin with IPC Eagle, and today we're going to talk about auto scrubbers. IPC has a full line of auto scrubbers from 11 inch all the way to 42 inches. But today we're going to focus on micro scrubber riders. Let's talk about the CT80, available in 3 different scrub path sizes: 21 inch, 24 inch, and 28 inch. But let's talk about the most popular one in the market, and that's the 21 inch. With today's labor shortages, we need to do more with less, and with the CT80, we're going to meet those needs. The unit has 2 battery pack options, 2 12-volt batteries or 4 6-volt batteries, cleaning 50,000 square feet to 75,000 square feet on a single charge. This machine has a 21-gallon clean solution tank, which allows you to clean longer and fill less often. A great feature of the CT80 is the spin-on, spin-off brush. Once the brush is under the machine and lined up, simply push the click-on, click-off button and the deck will lower. To remove the brush, you simply hit the same click-on, click-off button and the brush will come off the machine. The CT80 has one of the tightest turn ratios in the industry today. The CT80 fits through a standard door. Let's recap why you need a CT80. Great productivity, ease of use, maneuverability, cost efficient. For a free demonstration, contact IPC Eagle today. Thank you very much and have a great day.